Welcome to Volume Practice 1, Problem 1. So we're going to now put into effect some of the formulas that we just learned about and do some actual calculations. So this is a really good problem because it explains two really good types of volume. It's asking us to find the volume of the object excluding the cone. So if you notice, you have a cone that's inside the cube, okay? So what we're gonna do to find the volume excluding the cone is we're gonna find the volume of the cube, right? And then we're gonna subtract out the cone. Okay, so the volume of the cube, okay? A cube is, think of it like a prism, okay? And this is going to be just like formula number 1, okay? Because it's a cylinder or a prism. So formula number 1 says to find the volume, you want to take the area of the base of the object times the height of the object. Okay, so what's the base? The base of this object is a 6 by 6 square. So I'm going to multiply 6 by 6 to get the area of the base. So area of the base, 6 by 6. But to get how much space is inside the three-dimensional shape, I have to multiply by the height of that object. And I can see that the height of this cube is 6. So 6 times 6 times 6 gives me 216. Okay, now I need to subtract out the volume of the cone. But remember, because we have a cone that comes to a point, the volume is 1/3 as much. So we're gonna do 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. Now the cone, the base of the cone is a circle. The diameter is 4 centimeters, which means the radius is 2 centimeters. So I'm going to do 1/3 area of the base pi r squared. Let me just darken this in a little bit. Pi r squared times the height of the cone, which is 6. Okay, and that's going to be minus 25.13. Again, we talked about rounding. And that's going to leave the volume as 190.87, give or take. But remember, because it's volume, I have to do units cubed, and that would be the correct answer. Okay, I hope that helped a little bit. In the next video, we will do problem number 2.